My name's Neil Briggs. I'm co-founder and director of product development here at BAC. The business was founded in 2009. Since then, we've delivered cars to over 41 territories around the globe. We've been on an incredible journey with our partners, suppliers, and of course our customers. It's inspired by a formula-style layout. The engine is mounted longitudinally along the centre line of the vehicle, directly behind the driver, as is the drive line and the gearbox, which is then mounted further behind it. So the hard points of the car actually started to pretty much define themselves fairly easily from day one. We focus on clever use of materials. We focus on our processes and our clever use of the available softwares that we have to us in order to optimize the components on the car. A classic example of some of the innovation we've got here at BAC is our two-piece carbon hybrid wheel. So we've taken an alloy wheel, the lightest 17-inch alloy wheel in the world, we've made it 2 kilograms lighter. But we weren't content with that. We wanted to move that forward. And that's where we utilize generative design, work very closely with our friends and colleagues at Autodesk to basically apply the same load case to the same wheel to see where we can optimize the structure. And using the constraint system within the software, it meant that we could constrain the areas of the wheel that the designers were particularly protective about. And that then forced the software to look into specific areas to optimize the weight reduction. And I think the solution that we've come up with is absolutely incredible. We've saved an incredible 1.25 kilo just from the centerpiece alone. So we've moved this lightest wheel already further into just a completely different stratosphere. So the new mono represents the next stage of our design DNA, described by Jeremy Clarkson as one of the most iconic shapes he's ever seen. The car never ceases to amaze me or anyone else who sees it, just how striking it is. And to move that design forward actually was a really tough challenge. The car has got this slightly more aggressive, lower, sleeker, longer stance, which is even more striking and looks incredible.